Welcome to Contract Management Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the entire contract lifecycle from drafting to renewal, covering the essential practices that protect organizations and create value. This is practical, actionable knowledge condensed from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin with a comprehensive overview of the contract lifecycle and the critical activities at each stage. Every contract moves through a defined lifecycle. Understanding each stage ensures we manage contracts proactively rather than reactively. The lifecycle begins when a business need triggers a contract requirement, and we define the scope, objectives, and key terms. Drafting involves translating business requirements into precise legal language that protects both parties. Negotiation is where both parties work to reach mutually acceptable terms that balance risk and value. Execution formalizes the agreement, and we ensure all signatures, approvals, and compliance checks are completed. Active management tracks obligations, milestones, and performance to ensure both parties deliver on their commitments. Renewal decisions should be made well in advance, based on performance data and changing business needs. Now let us focus on the risk management and compliance aspects that are critical to protecting organizational interests through contracts. Mastering these concepts ensures we manage contracts with the rigor and attention they require. Clause libraries ensure consistency across contracts and reduce the risk of unfavorable or non-compliant language slipping through. Systematic compliance tracking catches breaches early, before they escalate into disputes or financial losses. Every contract carries risks that must be identified, quantified, and mitigated through appropriate terms and monitoring. Analytics transforms contract data into insights that improve negotiation outcomes, compliance rates, and renewal decisions. Understanding the most common contract risks and their mitigation strategies helps us build stronger, more protective agreements. Ambiguous financial terms are the leading cause of contract disputes. Precise definitions prevent costly misunderstandings. Without measurable performance standards, we cannot hold counterparties accountable or enforce quality expectations. Regulatory landscapes shift constantly. Smart contracts include mechanisms to address compliance changes proactively. Auto-renewal clauses can lock us into underperforming relationships. Scheduled reviews ensure renewal decisions are deliberate. The shift from manual to automated contract management is transforming how organizations handle their contract portfolios. Manual contract management creates blind spots, missed deadlines, and inconsistencies that expose the organization to unnecessary risk. Automated systems provide the visibility, consistency, and proactive alerting that modern contract portfolios demand. These proven best practices help organizations transform contract management from an administrative burden into a strategic advantage. A well-maintained clause library accelerates drafting, ensures compliance, and reduces the risk of unfavorable terms. Automated reminders prevent missed deadlines for renewals, notice periods, and compliance milestones. Periodic reviews identify underperforming contracts, compliance gaps, and opportunities for consolidation or renegotiation. KPI tracking transforms contract management from passive filing to active performance optimization. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of contract management. From initiation through renewal, each lifecycle stage has distinct activities and risks that demand our attention. Proactive risk identification and standardized clause management are our primary tools for building protective agreements. Automated systems ensure nothing falls through the cracks and provide the analytics needed for strategic decisions. Data-driven contract management consistently outperforms intuition-based approaches in both cost savings and compliance. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with templates, checklists, and real-world contract management scenarios. Enroll today and master the complete contract lifecycle. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, review your contracts with fresh eyes and a strategic mindset.